Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Begin by placing your flower aroma diffuser on a flat, stable surface and remove the top cover. Fill the water tank to the 100 ml mark, using clean, room temperature water only. Add 5 to 8 drops of essential oil directly into the water to achieve light to moderate scent intensity. Reassemble the cover and select your mist setting. Run the diffuser for up to 4 hours continuously, or use intermittent mode for longer sessions to preserve oil and water. Maintain performance by emptying leftover water daily and performing a quick wipe. Clean the diffuser every 3 days with a 30-minute vinegar soaked to prevent buildup and mold. Use diluted white vinegar 1:1 with water for deep cleaning, filling the tank halfway and running a 5-minute cycle before emptying. Wipe the ultrasonic plate gently with a cotton swab to remove residue, and dry all parts fully before reassembly to avoid damage and preserve fragrance quality. Position your flower aroma diffuser near open air without direct breeze, on a stable, heat-resistant surface away from electronics and papers. Keep diffuser at least 3.5 inches from walls and fabrics to prevent moisture damage and allow even scent distribution. Use only recommended dilutions and never pour undiluted essential oils onto plastic components. Do not use undiluted oils on plastics or pets may react. For households with children or pets, choose pet-safe oils and limit sessions to 30 to 60 minutes at a time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.